Para matikman nila. Oo. Galing naman ako magtinda. Satsuma, ma'am.
Ito yung Satsuma? Okay.
With matching jumps?
Yes!
Kasi ano po, bagong first of the season.
Okay. Thank you.
It must be good if she's jumping for joy. Can you imagine?
Ayan,
Kasi I realized this is the last one. I was waiting para umikot ulit sa UP Town kasi mas malapit ako doon. So,
Yes.
I know. Okay, pupunta na ako.
Yeah.